I have personally tried several online businesses and I make money with some of them. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 of the most reliable ways to make money online for someone who is a complete beginner with limited resources. The 2 online businesses that I'm going to share with you in this video are not going to require any money investment and will not also require any extensive level of skills or experience in doing anything. So generally, these 2 online businesses are what you will call a beginner-friendly online business. When I personally decided to start making money online, I didn't have any experience or any knowledge of doing anything online, and I didn't even have an idea of what I will do. But because I needed money, I needed to find a way to make money online, I just started looking. I started looking for how to make money online. And that is when I came across all the things you are going to find when you search for how to make money online. And I ended up trying a lot of them. I didn't make any money until I started freelancing. And that is why freelancing and virtual assistance is going to be the first in my list, because I started making my first money online through freelancing. Freelancing or virtual assistance is easy to start because all you need in order to get started is a computer and access to internet. If you have a computer and access to internet, you have everything you need to get started. And the next thing you are going to need is a skill. If you are going to offer freelancing services, something like video editing, graphic design, content writing, then you just need to spend some time into learning the skill that you are going to start offering to client. Because freelancing is something that you are offering a clear instant value to someone. That is why it is also faster to make money. If someone needs a logo and you can create a logo for them, you create the logo and they pay you instantly. And that is why how long it will take for you to start making money in freelancing or virtual assistance, it entirely depends on how fast you can find clients. If you decide to start freelancing today and you find your first client tomorrow, then you can start making money tomorrow. And if you have watched any of my previous videos, then you have a good idea of what freelancing and virtual assistance is. The main downside of freelancing and virtual assistance is, first, you are trading time for money. You have to work to get paid. If you are a virtual assistant, you are working in an hourly basis, then you have to work a certain hours to get paid for that certain hours. If you didn't work, you are not going to get paid. If you want to get paid every week, then you have to work every week. And that is the disadvantage of trading time for money. You have a specific hours in a day that you cannot exceed. If you are selling your time, then there is a limit to it. We all have 24 hours per day. Within that 24 hours, you have to sleep. You have to eat, you have to do all other activities. So there is a limit of how much you can do if you are trading time for money. And another downside of freelancing and virtual assistance is dealing with clients. You are working for clients, so you have to deal with clients. And if you are a complete beginner, sometimes you might end up finding a client that is going to give you a hard time. And those are the 2 main downsides of freelancing and virtual assistance. First, you are trading time for money. And second, you have to deal with clients. And sometimes you are going to find clients who are going to be difficult and give you a hard time. But if you learn freelancing and virtual assistance and you do it right, then you are going to enjoy it. Currently, at the time of recording this video, virtual assistance is my main income, and I have been freelancing and virtual assistance since 2019. And I can personally tell you, freelancing and virtual assistance is a great idea if you are a complete beginner and you are looking for a way to start making money online. It is going to require some learning curve, and it is going to require patience, because as a complete beginner, you have to learn the skills that you are going to start offering to clients, and you have to be patient until you are able to find client. You learn how to work with client, and eventually you build up your credibility as a virtual assistant or freelancer. Okay, the second reliable way to make money online for complete beginners is YouTube content creation. I started my first YouTube channel at around the same time that I started freelancing. That is back in 2019. And when I started my first YouTube channel, I didn't really even have a mobile phone with a good camera. The mobile phone that I had at that time, it was a Techno mobile phone that has a really bad camera that I cannot even record myself doing anything with that kind of camera. And that is why when I decided to try YouTube, my first YouTube channel is a faceless YouTube channel. I was just recording my mobile phone screen playing video game and I upload it to YouTube. Of course, the channel didn't go anywhere, but that was my first YouTube channel back in 2019. And I kept trying, I kept failing, I kept making mistakes. I did sub for sub, I did all of the mistakes that you can think of when you start a brand new YouTube channel. Until I learned my mistakes, I learned what I was doing wrong, I learned how to do YouTube right, and I built up this current YouTube channel that I have. And YouTube content creation is easy to start. Especially now, there are a lot of tools, especially with AI, that are going to help you create content more easily. And another benefit of YouTube content creation over freelancing or virtual assistants is, with YouTube, you are not trading time for money. With YouTube, when you record a video, you upload it to YouTube, it is going to stay on YouTube for years. And if the video rank and you monetize your channel, you can still make money from a video that you make 5-10 years ago. And if you build up a library of YouTube videos, you don't have to make a video every week in order to get paid. Even if you didn't make any video for a month, if you already have a video that is getting views, if you have a library of videos that are getting views, you can still make money even if you didn't record any new video. But some of the disadvantages of YouTube content creation is, first, you need to believe in delayed gratification. If you don't believe in delayed gratification, there is no way you can build a YouTube channel, because before you can start making money on YouTube, it is going to take time. Even if you are doing everything right, it can take at least 12 months before you can start making money on YouTube. And it takes time to build an audience on YouTube. If you don't believe in delayed gratification, if you are just looking for a way to start making money quickly, then it's really hard to do YouTube, because you cannot build an audience easily. You will spend hours making one video, and after you upload the video, you check for 7 days, you will see like 2 or 5 views for a video. That is highly discouraging, and that is what every creator wants to do. So if you are not patient enough, you cannot build a successful YouTube channel. It's easy to just start doing other things that are going to kill your channel. For example, if you have like 10 videos and there are no views, it's easy to just start doing sub for sub, and it's easy to just find all your friends and ask them to watch your videos and subscribe. All of the things that are not going to help you build an audience. So with YouTube, it's easy to start. You can start. There are a lot of YouTube channels. There are a lot of niches that you can choose from. Whether you want to show your face or you don't want to show your face, whether you want to speak with a microphone or you don't want to speak with a microphone, there are a lot of niches. And with YouTube, you are not trading time for money. So it's easy to make a lot more money than when you are doing something like freelancing or virtual assistance, where it depends entirely on how much hours you can put into work. But with YouTube, on average, people publish at least 80 to 100 long-form videos before you will be able to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money through ads. So what you just need to do right now is ask yourself, can you publish at least 100 long-form videos over 12 months without making any money and without giving up? If the answer is yes, then you have a high chance of succeeding with YouTube. Any type of online business, it requires patience. If you don't have enough of it, there is no way you are going to succeed with any type of online business. And if you are new to freelancing or virtual assistance, I have a lot of videos that are going to guide you on almost every area of starting as a freelancer or virtual assistant on this channel. And if you are interested in learning more about YouTube content creation, I recently started a new YouTube channel where I'm going to be sharing my own personal experiences and generally my own experience growing my own YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about that, you can watch this next video where I'm going to show you how I failed 6 YouTube channels before I finally succeeded with this my main YouTube channel. And while you are there, don't forget to subscribe if that is something you are interested in. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.